Hey crypto wizards, Sean here. Now the price of Bitcoin has dropped dramatically. It's gone from like $11,000 to about $9,900 just in the space of a few hours. Oh my gosh. This is an absolute godsend for me because I've been looking to buy Bitcoin lately. And what I wanted to show you in this video is where is the cheapest place that you can get Bitcoin right now? Where's the cheapest place? If you buy it from different exchanges, you're going to get a different price per dollar. So here's the thing. This is what I'm doing. I'm going to be averaging into Bitcoin. So when a price is dropping like this and it's absolutely smashed through a lot of support levels, what I will usually do is average into something, which means if I have, say, $5,000 that I want to invest, I'm going to buy $1,000 worth now. Then if the price drops more, I'm going to buy $2,000 worth, etc. And it's a nice way to average in because if the price does go against you, then you know that you're getting your full investment in, but you're also doing it carefully. So you just keep an eye on the price. And that might make you feel a bit better about buying into Bitcoin when, as they call it, catching falling knives. Right now I'm catching falling knives. I've been hoping for a price drop because of wanting to trade against Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies, the altcoins on other exchanges. I've been needing some Bitcoin. So this is perfect for me. I'm so happy that the price has dropped, which is absolutely brilliant. So I'm looking to buy Bitcoin. Where is the cheapest place that you can get Bitcoin right now? So if you go to coinmarketcap.com and click on Bitcoin, and then down here on markets, you're going to get this table of all the markets and exchanges that offer Bitcoin. So all you do is you select all that data, all the way to the bottom. There you go. And I'm just going to hit Shift and click. Now Control C to copy all the data. Go over to Excel and hit Control V for paste. And then what you want to do is create a new sheet. Go back to sheet 1, copy the titles across for sheet 2, and on sheet 1 just filter for Bitcoin USD. So I'm going to create a filter over here, and I'm going to filter on BTC/USD, and make sure you only select that one and hit OK. And then the other thing I want to do is I'm going to highlight all of the numbers here, and I'm going to right click and go Format Cells, Number. And I'm also going to hit Control H for find and replace. Just type in the find what section $, and leave this blank and hit replace all. That now puts all of these into into number format. Then highlight all the numbers you see in front of you, copy those and paste them into your sheet 2. So now what you have is a list of every single exchange that is offering Bitcoin to US dollars right now. And what I love to do is highlight the table and go home, conditional formatting, color scales, and just pick this one with greens and reds. Now a red will represent the lowest price and a green will represent the highest price. So for example, I could go to Bitstamp today and buy Bitcoin for $9,400 and sell it on cex.io for $10,550. So in other words, if you want to buy Bitcoin, find the best place. Now, to be fair, you can't buy Bitcoin with US dollars on all these exchanges. Only some of them offer that ability. So you have to go into the ones that you know will. I have done that exercise and I know exactly where I will be buying my Bitcoin from. But this method will just let you see visually where is the cheapest place. Now you might ask, okay, well, why don't I just buy on Bitstamp and sell on CX and make an automatic profit, or otherwise known as arbitrage? Well, the reason you might not is because these prices you're seeing here aren't the bid and the ask prices. They're the prices that Bitcoin was last sold at on that exchange. It doesn't show you the order book. It doesn't show you how much you can buy and sell at that price. It doesn't take into account the percentages you're going to pay for withdrawing dollars back into your bank account, etc. So is there room for arbitrage and making guaranteed profits in this market? Yeah, definitely. But it also comes with its risks as well. So this video is not about that, but I thought you might find it interesting. So this is a great way to see what the cheapest price is for Bitcoin to dollars. Like I said, I'm going to average in. So, if I want to buy 5 grand's worth of Bitcoin, I will buy a grand now, and then I will buy more as the price keeps dropping, or hopefully if the price drops more, I'll be so happy because I can buy more Bitcoin and go from there. Now, if you are concerned about Bitcoin, it's funny because I had my folks over at the house tonight and I was talking to my dad about Bitcoin, and there's something here in this whole price drop saying there's no fundamental value to any of this stuff. Okay, what's the value of the dollar today? And what's the value of gold? Can you eat it? Really? So the value of anything is people's belief in the use of it. So if you look at how many uses there are for Bitcoin today, how many interests there are entire countries who are interested in using Bitcoin and operating using Bitcoin too. It's not going to disappear overnight, folks. So really, the more this price drops, the happier I'm going to be because I'm going to average in. If the price goes up and I didn't put my full 5,000 in, well, that's fine. But I just like the feeling of buying in carefully because it's so volatile right now. Looking at the price, cannot predict what it's going to do next. Frankly, it looks like there's a lot of selling pressure. I'm not even looking at the open order book. There's a lot of selling pressure. This pullback right now is looking fairly weak. It's only really popped up on this bar, but it is setting a nice kind of base there. I would think that there might be some more knives to fall to catch, and I'm hoping there are, because if the price does fall more, I'm just going to be buying. So hope you found that useful and have a really good day. Talk soon.